Today, we're diving into the latest developments surrounding SoFi. I'll provide an update on the current statistics, recent happenings, and everything else you should be aware of. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. SoFi stock is currently up by 31%, which is quite notable given the day's volatility. The stock has fluctuated between a low of $6.44 and a high of $6.60. Interestingly, there haven't been any significant news releases or SEC filings today. The movement seems to be influenced by broader market trends, particularly retail sales data, which hasn't been particularly promising. Retail sales figures released today came in at 14%, falling short of the expected 3%. Despite this, SoFi has experienced some upward momentum, mainly due to recent buying activity. Yesterday, a significant entity started purchasing SoFi shares, which has contributed to the current positive trend. Looking at the transactions, we can see substantial activity in the secondary market, with several transactions exceeding $100,000. Most of these transactions, both yesterday and today, were purchases. Among these were some notably large buys, including 161 million shares and other significant purchases totaling 72 million and 323 million shares. It's unclear who the buyer is, whether it's Cathie Wood or another major player, but this buying activity is certainly influencing the stock. In addition to these purchases, there's been a return of shorted shares. Currently, around 904,000 shares have been returned. This combination of large-scale buying and the return of shorted shares is creating a strong buying pressure on SoFi's stock. As for the short interest, it's worth noting that there's a slight delay in the data, but right now, 963,000 shares have been returned. Currently, 17.65% of SoFi's free float is being shorted, translating to 183.36 million shares, or approximately $0.19 billion. The utilization rate is at 74.85%, and the cost to borrow has increased slightly to an average of 128%. Today has been an exciting day for SoFi, even though the stock is pulling back a bit, likely due to broader market conditions rather than any SoFi-specific news. When we look at options trading today, there's been $0.66 million in call options and $620,000 in put options. Market makers have opened many options, including new strike prices at $2.50 and $3. It's unclear whether the $3.50 strike price is new, but there's definitely a lot of activity around these levels. Most of the call options are centered around the $6.50 strike price, reflecting a common hedging strategy. Looking at the open interest for options, there are currently 7,000 contracts at the $6 strike price for this upcoming Friday. This indicates a significant level of support building up. Additionally, there are 23,000 contracts at the $6.50 strike price and 57,000 at the $7 strike price, highlighting a lot of activity and potential manipulation in SoFi's options market. I'd love to hear your thoughts on SoFi. Are you buying, selling, or holding? Share your actions and insights in the comments. Overall, it's been an exciting day with a lot of unusual activity, similar to recent trading sessions. At $6.48, SoFi is currently trading between key support and resistance levels. The $6.45 level is a critical support to watch, having bounced off this area today. On the upside, $6.50 is the immediate resistance, influenced by the options market. The next strong resistance level is at $6.69. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.